Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Miss Jam Tours says she wanna bring around the car. So where you going now? You wanna put it that way?
I don't know if I'll manage.
Alright, go on.
I don't know even where
You need to come back and then go that way.
So I go down.
So come back a little. Come back, come back. Come back, come back. Use the mirror, yes. Yes.
There, right?
Yeah, and then it goes around like that now.
I felt nice removing the car from there alone. So I go straight and
No, she just go, yeah.
Who am I turning?
Turning, so you turn around, you're turning around, so turn the wheel straight around.
way?
Yeah, right around. That's where you're turning. Okay, you want to get to this side.
But I'm so far away.
No, see, just go, you'll rack it up. Just go straight out. Straight out. Straight out.
Like that?
Yeah, just go straight out, straight out.
I keep going.
Turn the wheel now, straighten up. Here, go on now. Yes, yes. Yes, let's go forward. Yes, in reverse now. Wind him up.
I wind.
Not that way, the other way. Yeah. So you want to come on this side.
Oh yeah, I go that way.
Yeah, so go on now. Just come back, man. Let go the brake and come back. Come back, come back. Come back, come back. Little gas. Gas, gas. Take it out now. Alright, stop. Stop. Yeah, take it out now, yeah. Take it out. Yeah. Then you come back. Yeah. You're using the mirror.
Oh yeah.
Straighten up now, straighten up. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up.
I'm not straight. Of course I'm feeling.
You're not straight. No, that's not straight, sweetie, because you're going back this side. You want to go that side.
So I can't like this.
No, no, the other way. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think reversing is the hardest job.
Yeah. Yeah. Come back. Come back. Come back. You looking at this, at that?
Actually, I'm checking.
You're looking at that thing
Oh.
to see how far you're coming back. So you don't go on the wall. You're looking at it? Alright.
I guess I'm there.
Yeah.
So I park?
Yeah. Handbrake first. Back.
But I'm not turning off. Not sure.
No, we're leaving now.
Okay. Oh. Passing is hard. Driving is easy.
Driving is.
But I think once you, Sasa, once you know how to reverse, you know how to drive. Not sure.
Yeah.
Not what I'm. Yeah, you left the plate here.
Eh? Yesterday.
Is that so far? Yeah. Okay. So I bring the bottles, right?
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're actually going for water today. So we're gonna get the bottles. Let's go with us. Let's go. Yeah, family. So these are the bottles that we're going to fill today. So let's go. You want to drive? Yeah?
drive my husband.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tour says she want to drive now.
Book which one comes first? Handbrake first, right?
And then, yeah. So Miss Jam Tour says she want to drive. So let's drive. You're catching the feel of it now, not true?
Yes. You saw me how I was, I don't say proud of myself moving the car from the driveway.
By yourself?
Yeah, but you feel nice.
Yeah, and as soon as you start learning to reverse and stuff.
Yeah, reversing is quite...
yeah, you just need to learn to use the side mirrors and stuff.
Yeah. I've noticed I'm not using...
Yeah, but as soon as you start learning that, you'll be good.
The car had not gone off. I'm removing it quick.
What happened? Yeah, family, this is Miss Jam Tours learning to drive. By next year, this time you'll be able to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be cruising. I'll be blood.
Passing all vehicle on the road and not panicking.
Yeah. This is the stretch where you made me panic. You made me think I'm doing bad.
You like a speeding, sweetie. You're not speeding. I know to control it now.
Yeah. And as you can see, I'm not stepping the brakes when I'm at the thing.
Yeah.
I'm doing it when I'm...
When you what?
I'm doing it when I'm confused now.
What's your to confuse about?
I'm doing it when I'm almost to the thing, not
Okay.
there. So back then I used to think I step on the brakes, there are the bumps.
At the bumps. But you kind of just touch it down, put your foot small on it,
Yeah.
while you actually go, you know, when you reach it, just maybe let it go and make it roll over. Just like that, right? Yeah, that's how you do it. Just like that.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry. That one came past me.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours is getting the hang of it now. She actually can drive outside of the estate now.
Wow.
So I think that's actually the first. That's actually the first way of learning how to drive, by understanding this.
So right now I know how to switch the leg from the brakes
Yeah.
to the... I'm trying to do how you do it. I'm trying to...
But they say when you're pregnant, sweetie, and you're doing something, it's kind of good, you know. So like you're learning something now when you're when you're pregnant.
Yeah.
It's actually help with the baby, you know, help to shape the baby personality.
We let pass this truck.
I see, you know what, I eat the truck. Pass it.
I passed a truck at a corner. Okay.
going through the gate now.
Again. Not again.
I guess sooner or later it's gonna become a guy, sweetie, what you doing?
Because you can see I'm not here. Am I shaking you?
Yeah?
Did I scare you lifting my hand? You know, sometimes you don't know how powerful you are.
Yeah.
I could do this and I'm controlling with the hand.
Why not use the hand? Use the oot.
Like this.
Yeah.
It's not hooting.
Ooting, sweetie, press it.
Like
Like that.
I didn't want to hoot because of this lady. I didn't want to scare her.
Yeah, family.
These are Chinese, not sure.
Yeah, I think they may look
I feel like they might.
it's like they want to develop this place of land. It's the second time I see them there.
Me, it's up, and the other time they were.
Yeah. Yeah, family. What you say, sweetie?
There's a day they were measuring that thing for the people use the architects. Is it the architects? These
Yeah.
people who have that thing on the road when they're making the road. I
Yeah.
don't know what it's called.
Yeah.
Just got to be in front of it.
Yeah, family. So, like, share, and comment. This is another lesson for Miss Jam Tours, learning to drive. Like, share, and comment on the video. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. One love. God bless. Jamaica.